How to delete your Asphalt 9 account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your account on Asphalt 9. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Asphalt 9 game and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the game info tab, and from there you can see the option labeled account deletion. Simply tap on it and you will be redirected to the web page, so you simply have to wait for it to load, and once you are there you will see a message explaining that deleting your personal data will remove access to the game. So simply tap on yes, I understand, and after that you simply need to tap on confirm. And after that you simply have to scroll down and complete the captcha verification, and once you're done with that you can simply tap on submit. And after tapping on that, your account will be deleted. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.